Welcome. If you want to get LED keyboard on your Google Pixel 4a, at first you have to go for the Play Store, tap on search pool and type LED keyboard. Let's get this application from Basic Studio. Click to open and then tap to get started, click OK. Click on the switcher into the LED keyboard, then tap OK 2 times. Go for the input options and switch to LED keyboard from Gboard. Right now we are in this application, we can choose one of this theme. I will go for LED, is my favorite, and I think that I will set up RGB dance. So click here on this theme that you want to apply, then tap to download the theme. Let's turn off this ad by clicking on the X in the left corner, and as you can see, here we are with this beautiful LED keyboard on our Google Pixel 4a. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.